Hi! In this video, we'll take a look at how you can add a booking form to your personal website using SimplyBook.me. When choosing a widget, it's important to decide if you'd like to embed it to a page on your website, or if you would prefer a pop-up style form. Having said that, the setup is basically the same, so let's take a look at how to configure the embedded iframe widget. Let's navigate to Settings, Booking Widget Settings in your SimplyBook.me account. Just like when configuring the design options for your booking page, you can choose a theme and configure all of the layout and display settings. You can also preview your widget at the bottom of the page. The predefined values options are what really makes the widget stand out, since you can use these to set a predefined service, provider, location, or category for any given widget. For example, you can add various provider-specific booking forms to their respective pages on your website. Once you're happy with the setup you've configured, click Get Widget Code and copy the HTML code so you can add it to your website. Please follow the link in the description for instructions on adding the widget to a number of popular website builders. Once you have added the code and published the respective page, the booking form should be added to it in up to 30 minutes. You can also refer to the widget example page provided in the description below to see how various widgets can look on your website. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.